Good afternoon. We're back here at Music With You with this month's bass pack, and this month we are talking about intervals. So if I play a C major scale, across 2 octaves, if I only know that as a sequence, then I'm kind of stuck always playing those in that order. If I start somewhere in the middle of it, I can go up or down by that sequence, but I'm still stuck playing them all as just kind of the next note up in the sequence, which is the interval of a second. That when we play notes up or down a scale, that interval is a second. But if I want to use any other interval, I need to be able to see how from any note within that key I get to every other note in that key. So from C, so our first exercise, we're going to jump straight in and do exercises this time. Now start at C at the 15th fret on the A string. So these sequences can be seen as either about harmonic training and us kind of hearing them as kind of broken chords, or melodic training where we're seeing them as sequences of a particular interval.